Hello my wonderful kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn class 3 mathematics chapter 1. Lesson name is what is in a name. So I have attached the sample worksheet also. So once you have completed the lesson, kindly understand each and every question so that you can able to complete the worksheet without any mistake. So let's go into the lesson. The lesson name is What is in a Name. Long time ago, there was a cowhead family in Tavakeshwar. So, cowhead family meaning the one who tends the cows. Though they will take care of the cow and they will take it for the grazing also. So, Tavakeshwar is the place where they are living. So every day Deba and Deep. So Deba and Deep are the children who take care of the cow for grazing. So what they will do every day, they will take the cows for the grazing and they will return the home in late evening. One day Deba asked, she asked a question to Deep that how we know that we have not lost any cows because they don't know how to count. So, their friend gave them an idea. There is an idea given to Dev and Deba. He said, when you go out, make a mark on the wall for each cow and leave their gate. And when you come back, strike out the mark from the wall each time a cow re-enter the gate. So let me see how they are going to do it. Example, they are taking this cow out, one cow. So they made a mark on the wall to indicate they have taken one cow. So while returning that cow to home, so the one cow is returning home. So now they are going to strike this out. So like this, they started counting each cow. So now Deba and Deep followed the same idea which was given by his friend. They used to make a mark on the wall while taking the cows out, and while returning back they will count the number of cows and they will strike out the lines. So after many years they had many more cows, and one day their wall had this. Do you see the walls? The walls was marked with many lines and it is not striked out, which means they did not return back to home yet. The cows are still outside. So let us count how many cows are there by counting the number of marks in the wall. Okay, let's see. The wall is filled with number of marks, and Deep and Deba has separated the marks into groups. First let me count how many groups are there, and each group how many marks are there. We will start count the grouping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 groups, and separately they have marked 2 lines, which is 2 cows. So we already know one mark indicates one cow. So let's start counting. So we found 9 groups. Now let's count how many cows are there in one group. Okay, let's start counting. So this is one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 cows in one group. Totally we have 9 groups. In each group there are 5 cows. So there are 9 groups, and each group we found 5 cows. So 9 into 5 is equal to 45. So totally 45 cows, and we have 2 lines drawn individually, which means 2 cows. So 45 cows in group and 2 separate cows. So totally they have taken 47 cows outside for grazing. So 47 cows has gone outside. So they had 47 cows in total. So the next day they returned home and they stuck out one mark as each cows re-entered the gate. But they still find 2 stakes were left. So which means there are 2 cows still outside and they couldn't able to find the cows outside the gate. So now they were worried. They were worried about those 2 cows and started searching. So why were Deepa and Deep worried? They were worried because still 2 cows are missing. That's the reason for their worry. So how many cows had reached home? So let's calculate. So we have totally 47 cows. So total cows is 47 and 2 cows were missing because they didn't strike out the 2 lines. So 47 minus 2 is 45. So 45 cows reached home safely and still 2 cows were missing. So Deepa and Deep quickly went for a search for the missing cows. So what happened? They were searching for the missing cows. 2 cows were missing, right? So what happened? They found them nearby the field. So those cows are nearby the field. So they happily returned home together. So while returning home, what they have to do? They have to strike out those 2 pending marks. So they can strike out those pending marks and take the cows inside. Okay, now their friend Hemant has 36 cows and 23 sheep. Help Hemant to track of his cows and sheep by making marks like Deepa and Deep. So they have given a box here. So we will divide this box into 2 sessions. So the first session we can track the cows and on the second session we can track the sheep. So now let's mark. So totally there are 36 cows. So I have divided them into groups. So each group there are 5 cows. So totally I have created 7 groups because 7 5s are 35 and 1 individual count. So let's calculate. So 7 5s are 35 and 1 individual line. So that is 35 plus 1, 36. Now we will track the sheep as we did for cows. There are 23 sheep. So we will divide those into 4 groups. 4 5s are 20 and we will draw 3 lines separately to make 3 sheep. So 4 into 2, that is 20. 4 groups into 2, 20. So each group we have 5 sheep. 4 into 5 equal to 20. 20 plus 3, 23 sheep. Some animals and birds got together to play a game. They wanted to make 2 teams. They decided that the captain of the first team will be the one with the longest name. Example, the one with the most letter. The captain of the second team will be the one with the shortest name. So the one with the fewest letter. So we have tiger, dog, snake, goat, lion, elephant, deer, ox, rat and a monkey. Now we will count each letter and find out which is the longest and which is the shortest. Let's find out one by one. Now let's count the animals. We have tiger with 5 letters, dog 3 letters, snake 5 letters, goat 4 letters, lion 4 letters, elephant 8 letters, deer 4 letters, ox 2 letters, rat 3 letters and a monkey with 6 letters. So the elephant is the longest and ox is the shortest. So the elephant is the longest name which is having 8 letters and the shortest with 2 letters is ox. Okay, now let's complete. First team captain is elephant, letter count is 8. The second team captain is ox with the letter count 2, the shortest word. Two children are discussing whose name is longer, Mahesh or Karthik. Let's count Mahesh. It's 6 letters, and even Karthik is also 6 letters, so they both are equal. Write down the names of some of your friends in the space given below, then answer the question from A to F. Now let's write the list of the names. Before that, we will read all the questions once. Tick the longest name and cross the shortest name. Write the starting letter of your name. Count all the names that have same starting letter as yours. Which starting letter is the most used? Count the name that begin with it. Count the names with the same ending letters. Write the letters that are not the starting letter of any name. So we have the list of names now. Riksha, Kushi, Shelly, Raj, Hardwick, Gunal, Abhilash and Rahul. Now let's complete this question and answer. So take the longest name. Ashish is the longest name with 7 letters. And the shortest name. Raj is the shortest name with 3 letters. R-A-J, 3 letters. So Raj is the shortest one and the longest is Ashish. So write the starting letter of your name. Let's imagine my name is Sarah. So S is the starting letter of my name. Count all the names that have the same spelling starting letter as yours. So let's check yes. Shahil. So only Shahil is the only name starts with yes. So that's only one name. Which starting letter is the most used? Count the name that begins with it. So let's see which is the most used letter. I think it's R because we have Rika, Raj and Rahul. So 3 names starts with R. Count the names with the same ending letter. Let's see, we have A, Rika, but there is only one name. I think it's L. We have Shahil, Kunal and Rahul with 3 names with L. Write the letters that are not matching the letter of any name. So we have to write the letters with the starting letter which is not matching with these name. So we have B, C, E, F, G, L, J, L, M, N, O, P, Q, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So none of these letters start either of the names listed here. So TJ and Jojo are making numbers using the below cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. TG makes her roll number 43 like this by adding 40 and 3. When we count, it is having 10 letters. Jojo makes his roll number 17 like this. He took the word 17. 17 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 letters. So its number name has 9 letters. So now write your roll number using number cards as shown. So my roll number is Let's imagine it's 77. So I have shown a card with 70 and 7. Let's count the letters. 70 has 7 letters and 7 has 5 letters. So 7 plus 5 is 12 letters. Write some numbers and their number names in your notebook and count how many letters does it have. So please write and practice this. For example, if you are writing 6, S-I-X, it has 3 letters. So likewise, please practice few words. TJ and Jojo made the number 56. It has 8 letters. Write down the number between 1 and 99 that have 8 letters. So, for example, they have given 42. 40 has 5 letters and 2 has 3 letters. So, when you add up, it's 8 letters. So, let's write the next one. I have written 52. So, 50 has 5 letters and 2 has 3 letters. So 5 plus 2 is 8. So next I have written 66. So in 60 we have 5 letters and in 6 we have 3 letters. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So I have left 3 blank lines. So please practice and try to find the numbers that when you add it should come up 8. Let's do. Write the numbers between 1 and 99 that have the longest name. So let's write the number which has the longest name. 77, which is having 12 letters. The next one is 73, which is also having 12 letters and it is long. Kindly find out the third one. Find out. Let's find out. My number name has 2 words. The first word has 6 letters. The second word has 5 letters. And I am very near to 100. Who am I? That is 97. So 90, N-I-N-T-E-Y, 90, which has 6 letters, and 7, which has 5 letters and which is very near to 100. So the next one, my friend and I are the numbers from 63 to 78. My number is the smallest. Who am I? That is 70, which has only how many letters? 7 letters. And which is the smallest one also. Make similar puzzles of your own in your school notebook and ask your classmates. We have Venkata Narasimha Rao Varipeta is the place in India with the longest name. It is located in Andhra Pradesh close to the border of Tamil Nadu. So this is the longest place. So when you have time, please count how many letters are there in this place. And this is the homework for you guys. Just copy this name and count how many letters are there in this place. So next, LB in Odisha and OD in Gujarat are the places in India with the shortest name, LB and OD. TG and Jojo have some picture cards. TG has put these into 2 groups like this. One has helicopter, flight, phone and a bulb, book and a kite. And the second pictures has a bird, housefly, a rat and a fish. She has grouped the cards into 2 different groups. The first group, those that eat food, and the second one, those that don't eat food. It is basically living things and non-living things. Jojo has arranged the same cards differently. Let's see on the first set, kite, aeroplane, fly, helicopter and a sparrow. On the second set you have mobile phone, fish and a bulb, book and a rat. So what is the common in each group that Joe has made? So I think the first group has the common, those can able to fly in the air. They can move in the air. Kite, and we have aeroplane, and a sparrow, and a helicopter, and a fly. So the second one is non-movable. So that is the common difference. Given below are pictures of some household object. Write the names of the above object in two groups given below. Things that need electricity and things that don't need electricity. So let's see the objects. We have TV, chair, lamp, bed, clock, fan, pillow, and a blanket. So let's arrange in two groups. The first group that needs electricity. So now we have TV, lamp, and fan moved to things that need electricity because without current, TV, fan, or a lamp will not work. So for things that don't need electricity, we have chair, bed, clock, pillow, and blanket. Let us do hairstyles. Mala is going to school. Her mother has combed her hair. Mala has two ponytails. Look at the children in your class. All children comb their hair in different way. Look and write down hairstyles and number of childrens. Let's count the number of childrens. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 children with 6 different hairstyles. Now we came to the end of this lesson. The lesson has been completed. I hope you can able to understand the lesson. So students, now time to practice. So what you have to do is, if you are not understanding this lesson, please watch the video again and practice each and every sum. Okay, so this is practice time to practice. So download the worksheet or download the sums given on the back of the book, or you can also download the worksheet that I am going to attach in the description. So download the worksheet and practice as many times as you can. Okay, and if you have any doubts, you can let me know on the comment section, or you can even send an email for additional worksheets. For more videos, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you. So you can get the next upcoming lessons. Thank you for watching, students.